Microsoft Excel has a feature called autofill. Autofill is a process that creates a series. Now, a series is a sequence of numbers like 1, 2, 3, dates like February 1st, February 2nd. It can be times like 2:30, 3:30, 4:30. It can also be text like January, February, March. As you're going through and creating the series to use the autofill, the first thing you want to do is select an active cell and start typing your series. For numbers, you can do 1, 2, and then you select those two cells, and in the bottom right-hand corner, as you hover over that black box, you notice that your cursor changes to a black plus sign. This is the fill handle. This is what makes autofill possible. So you hover over there and then you click and you drag down, and notice how Microsoft Excel is automatically filling in the values based on the pattern that I had initially put in. You can do it with even numbers. You can do it with odd numbers. You can even do it with multiples. The point is that you want to be able to show Microsoft Office your pattern so it can duplicate that. You can use the autofill feature with dates. If I wanted to do February 1st, February 2nd, again, repeating the process of selecting the cells, hovering over the bottom right-hand corner, and then using that fill handle to fill that information down. The fill handle can also be used vertically or horizontally, excuse me. It does not have to just be used vertically. If I wanted to create a calendar that has the days of the week, I could do that. I can start with Monday, hit tab and type Tuesday, and then what I can do is select those and drag this across. You'll notice that Microsoft Excel is going in and filling in the days of the week. It can also be done with other text items like the months. And it can also be used with time. The thing with time is in the morning when it's AM, so 12:01 a.m. until 11:59 a.m., you will see the numbers as you are used to seeing them. When it gets past noon, you are going to begin to see military numbers. So if I wanted to do 8 o'clock, I could do 8:30, do 9 o'clock, and then Microsoft Excel is going to recognize that, and you will see where 1 o'clock should be, it has moved to military time. So those are just some of the ways that you can use autofill in Microsoft Excel. If you were putting something that's very repetitive or something that's incremental, you can go ahead and use this. The fill handle can also be used to copy formatting, such as bold, italics, and so on. You can also use the fill handle to copy formulas and functions as well. So the fill handle is a very useful tool in Microsoft Excel. When the textbook wants you to use it, it will ask you to drag the fill handle or fill the series. Those are some of the key terms that you will be looking for in that section.